Hello everyone, my name is Bella and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to talk about peptides with Botox effect. What is peptides? Do they really have Botox effect? How to and when to use peptides? Basically, we'll cover all the necessary information, and if you will still have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Among the skincare products, you often find creams or serums that contain peptides. I have been using such serums for quite a while just because I have a non-positive view towards beauty injections in general, as well as Botox. So peptides or polypeptides are amino acids which make up proteins in our skin. Peptides stimulate collagen production, which lead to a firmer, young-looking skin. Your body makes collagen naturally, but with age, collagen production decreases, which can cause skin to look more wrinkled and less elastic. Moving to Botox effect. Peptide creams and Botox injections are two different things. With Botox injection, botulinum toxin is injected, which paralyzes the muscles. As a result, the muscles relaxes and mimic wrinkles are smoothed out for several months until drug stops working. Products with Botox effect like peptides, which only imitate the action of botulinum toxin. They slow down the transmission of impulses from nerve ending to muscles and therefore gently relax the muscles and also smoothes out wrinkles. However, they do not contain botulinum toxin. Also, they do not have such a pronounced effect as injections. But on the other hand, they have no contraindications and undesirable side effects like Botox injections. Products with peptides are effective for smoothing wrinkles, especially in the forehead and eyes, also crow's feet wrinkles. They reduce longitudinal and transverse wrinkles on the forehead and bridge of the nose. Peptides don't work on nasal folds, as these folds are formed due to deeper changes and sagging of the skin, and also it doesn't work on under eye bags. For this, I would suggest products that relieve swelling and firm the skin. Let's cover benefits and disadvantages of peptides. Unlike Botox injections, the cream doesn't have any side effects. When using the cream, facial expressions look natural. There is no effect of a dull-looking face or a mimic face, as is often the case after Botox injection. Peptides have a regenerating effect. They instruct the skin cells to work as before, like in a young age, which has a pronounced rejuvenating effect and improves the quality of the skin in general. And botulinum toxin injection do not have such a rejuvenating effect. And what about disadvantages? Peptides require regular use for at least 1 or 2 months, relatively pricey, and doesn't have such a pronounced smoothing effect such as Botox injection. So there are two main types of peptides: argireline, or also can be called acetyl hexapeptide or hexapeptide, and matrixyl. Argireline has a muscle relaxant effect. It acts on nerve endings, slows down the transmission of impulses, and gently relaxes the facial muscles, which helps smooth out wrinkles. Matrixyl is pentapeptide, which has 5 amino acids, which promotes the activation of collagen synthesis and leaves the bottom of the wrinkles. Studies show that as a result of regular use, the depth of wrinkles is reduced by an average of 50%. You see, it's pretty good. How do we use peptides? Ideally, start using peptides from starting 30 or 35 years. But if you already have wrinkles at your 20s, use locally, only in the eye area like crow's feet and the forehead. Peptide creams are most effective between the age of 45 and 50 years old. Of course, at 50 or 60 years old, you can also use it, but the effect will be somewhat less than at a younger age. Creams or serums with peptides should be used as a course. First, these products must be applied daily in the morning and evening for approximately a month or two. Then you can maintain it using 3 times a week, morning or evening. You choose your best time. Peptides have a cumulative effect. So after 2 or 3 months of use, after reaching the maximum of satisfying result, you need to take a break. Why? Because the effect will be saved up for several months. How long depends on age, the activity of your facial expression, and the individual characteristics. And after 3 or 6 months, it will be possible to repeat the course. Additional recommendation from me: before starting the course using peptide, it is very good to do a chemical peel yourself, or better if you visit a beautician for professional peeling. And second one, don't use peptides with AHA acids, as acids neutralize the action of muscle relaxant. Basically, AHA neutralizes peptides. Also, to make sure you get all the benefits from peptides, use serums or creams containing at least 10 or 15% of peptides. If you're not sure, then stick to serums. I hope this video was useful for you guys. Please support this video by putting like and subscribing to my channel, as more useful videos are coming. Stay healthy and beautiful.